Hi guys, today was a beautiful day up here in the Catskills, and I just got off from work a little while ago, and the excavator was overheating while I was helping a friend with his house, and I brought it back to my garage and see if I can locate the problem, why it's overheating. I have a couple of hints. I think maybe the belt or maybe the radiator needs to be cleaned out a little bit, blow some air through it and so some water. We'll see. I'm gonna go along and take it apart so I can see exactly what's going on, and hopefully I find the problem. If I do find the problem, I'll let you know. So enjoy the video, and see you in the next video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bottom cover and the top cover of the engine compartment, and I'm going to check, see how the belt is doing, and also wash the back of the engine, because the last time I worked on it over the winter I seen a lot of oil and slug, and I want to clean that up before anything happens and it goes on fire. I was looking for a long time to find out where the grease fitting is. The grease is the center of the excavator where it spins around. And today I got lucky and I found it. So I haven't greased it. I'm going to do that too. I'm going to grease that also. So that was another good thing that happened. What it looks like. Every time you change the oil or a bit design, everything falls on this cover, and then the dust gets on it, and if something happens, electrical problem, the whole thing goes on fire. So I'm going to make sure I wash this good. Alright, now we're going to take the top off. Okay. Now when somebody cut the washer, so I'm gonna make sure I put it on the same. Okay. I'm gonna wipe my hands a little bit so I don't get everything more dirty than already is. And I'll be right back. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll take you over there so you can see the engine of the Hitachi. Okay. I have to take this front mesh here and see what's behind it because I think it might be clogged up. But anyway, we're gonna go along and see. I'm sure we're gonna find the problem, that's no doubt about it. Okay, this is the motor of the little Hitachi over here. All right. I see, actually I knew that the belt down there, if you can see, the belt is stretched all the way. You can't adjust it any tighter than what it is. It's all the way to the end. So first thing is first, I'm gonna loosen up that alternator bolt and I'm gonna remove the belt and try to get one size smaller than that because most likely they won't have the belt. We gotta go to China, so I'm gonna work with that. I'm gonna find the belt and continue. The radiator, I don't know if you can't really see it. It's too dark in there. We'll see the radiator from the other side. And also what happens to these motors is that the harmony pulley in the front here, I think they have the pulley all in one there, and that balancer has like some kind of rubber in the middle, and when the machine has a lot of hours on it, they go bad. I hope that's not bad. I hope that's okay, because that costs like $600-700 for the part only. Forget about the labor. That's me. I'm the laborer. But we're gonna get to it. I don't know if you can see the pulley in there. I'll try to show you. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's right there. Yep, right there. Okay, so we'll see what happens. We'll loosen up the belt, take it apart, and we go from there. So maybe now I'll put you over here somewhere, because from over there you're not going to see anything at all. So maybe I'll put you here, and hopefully you can see. Okay. At least you're gonna see me working, so you may not see too much. Okay, go. That there looks like a 13. Yep. All right. That didn't work. And probably this is too small. Alright, we got that bolt loose over there. We got some kind of ground on it too. Alright, whatever it is. So I'm going to try to pull it and see what happens if it comes back. Oh yeah. Oh yes. That it did. So we got the belt out. And let me get the belt out of the way, and then I'm going to check the pulley below and see if that's okay. A little bit too tight here, but we're going to get it out. Yeah, the belt, from what I see here, it got very thin actually, so they kept tightening it and tightening it and tightening it, and there's no more tightening, so I got to get another belt. So here's the belt, and we'll throw it over there for now, and let's see if the pulley is good. If the pulley is good, we're in business. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, solid. Okay. That's cool. Every time you change the oil, this whole area fills up with oil. move all the screws out of the way before we lose them. I'm going to take this one from up here too, and we're going to put them in a spot over there where they're not going to be in the way. So far, so good. I'm happy that it's not the pulley, because like I said before, it goes for $500-600, so could be more. And I'm happy that I found the grease fitting that I was looking for such a long time, where it is, and I couldn't find it. So it's right under there, and so what I'll do now is I'm gonna try to wash behind the engine what I saw all the gook hasn't been washed since the excavator was built. So I'm gonna clean it up. So there is my pressure washer, and I'm going to try to get it started, that way we can clean it up. All right, we'll leave this right here. Take the sockets out of here too, and put it right over here. And I also going to take the panel off in case I have to wash the panel I showed you before in front of the radiator. Boy, those screws are tight. I gotta get a plier. Okay, I'm back. I got the pliers right here, and I'm going to try to get that thing off. Because I have a feeling there's a big mess behind there. Yeah, let me bring it around there so you know what I'm doing. There you go. Okay. there's two more in here. All right. Do one more. Over there, I can't even see it. Yeah, there's two in here and two on the outside over here, and that should be coming out. And also they got the battery right in here. This was all smashed up. I took that plate out and I straightened it out and put it back on. It looks pretty good. One washer. Okay, by taking two, this one's here off, we should be able to get it out. It's just a mesh. I think they have that so keep things clear. This looks okay. I'm gonna blast it with a pressure washer anyway. And the radiator looks pretty good. I don't see anything wrong here, so we're gonna, oh yeah, over here is a lot of dirt. There you go. Yep, a lot of dirt here. And we're gonna tighten up some of these hoses here. They look like that's what was happening here. It was leaking a little bit of antifreeze, and it got into the radiator, and it kind of clogged up that corner over there. Good thing I seen it. Okay. So that would help a lot. Let me get out of here. So probably the reason it was getting hot after running it for 4 or 5 hours was because of the belt being loose. So now we're going to blast it and clean it up a little bit. Hopefully when we put it back together, everything is going to be okay. It which I think is going to be okay. I don't think there'll be any other problems. So let me put this thing like maybe over here so I can blast it. Let's see if this Honda is gonna start. Definitely looked black before, now it looks like the color it's supposed to be. Here was where it was leaking. Right there, you see the corner of the radiator? It had a spot on it, it was leaking in between, and the dust was sticking on it and clogging up the radiator. Not a big deal, but every little bit helps in the summer. Alright. I'll bring you around the other side so you can see.